Hi, Mr. McConey. It's Matthew Gonzalez, and I just finished my vocab words. Alright, vocab words by Matthew Gonzalez. Species, a group of similar organisms that can mate with each other. Fossil, the remains of a preserved organism. This here is a fossil of a dragonfly. Adaptation, a trait that helps an animal survive and reproduce. Evolution, a gradual change in a species over time. Scientific theory, a well-tested concept that explains a wide range of observations. Natural selection, the process which individuals that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce than other members of their species. Variation, any difference between the individuals of the same species. Homologous structures, body parts that are relatively similar in related species provide evidence that structures were inherited by a common ancestor. Branching tree, a diagram that shows how scientists think different groups of organisms are related. This here is a branching tree of a daisy. Petrified fossils, a fossil formed when minerals replace all or part of an organism. This here is a petrified fossil. Mold, a type of fossil that formed when a shell or other part of the organism dissolves, leaving an empty space at the part. This here is a mold of ancient flowers. Cast, a type of fossil that forms when a mold becomes filled with minerals that then harden. This here is a cast of an ancient organism. Relative dating, a technique used to tell which two fossils are older. Radioactive dating, a technique used to determine the actual age of a fossil on the basis amount of radioactive elements it contains. Radioactive element, an unstoppable element that breaks down into different elements. Half-life, the time it takes for half of the atoms in the radioactive elements to break down. Fossil records, the millions of fossils scientists have collected. Extinct, a term used to indicate that there are no living members of that species. Gradualism, the theory of evolution that occurs slowly but steadily. Punctuated equilibria, the theory that species evolve during short periods of rapid change. I used Google Images to get those pictures and the book that you issued us, the Science Explorer book, to get the words and definitions. Goodbye.